Namaste and hello, this is your Sanskrit instructor welcoming you back into lesson number 69. In the previous lesson, we went over the genitive case, and now we're going to go over the case endings after learning the genitive case and the scenarios in which we need to use them. When we need to use the genitive case. So now let's go over the case endings for the genitive case that we have learned so far. We will find similarities and differences in them, and hopefully that will help us remember the case endings a lot better. And it could be less overwhelming. So masculine, so far we learned masculine and neuter nouns ending in a, masculine nouns ending in e, and masculine nouns ending in u. So for masculine nouns ending in a and neuter nouns ending in a, genitive singular is asya. For dual, it's yoho, and for plural, it's anam. For masculine nouns ending in e, for genitive singular, it's ehe. For genitive dual, it's yoho. And for plural, it's inam. For masculine nouns ending in u, for genitive singular, it's oho. Genitive dual, it's woho. And genitive plural is unam. So let's take a look at the similarities here. So let's focus first on the plural. So for masculine neuter nouns ending in a, genitive plural is anam. Ending in e, masculine nouns ending in e is enam. And for masculine nouns ending with u, the genitive plural is unam. So anam, enam, unam, depending on what that noun ends with. It depends on what vowel that ends with. So anam, long a. I, long e, enam. U, long u, unam. So it depends on what vowel it ends with, and then you're just lengthening that letter. Same thing goes for dual. There is a similarity. So notice that in genitive dual for nouns ending with a, and then genitive dual for nouns ending in e, masculine versus for the masculine nouns and for masculine neuter nouns ending in a, they're both yoho. But the difference here between the two is that, now I'm going to zoom in. So this one here is for neuter nouns ending in a. Now, an example of a noun ending in a, masculine noun ending in a, you have kupa. Kupa is declined, okay? Kupa is declined to kupa yoho. Not kup yoho, but kupa yoho. Okay, keep that in mind. Kupa, so that ends with a. But for nouns ending in I, genitive dual, an example for a noun ending in I is muni. Now, it doesn't become, notice that kupa yoho, the is still remains when you're adding the case ending yoho. But in this scenario, for nouns ending in I, we're not keeping our vowel at the end. We're not keeping that I. Over here, we're keeping that a. Here, we're not keeping the I. This I actually drops and it turns to mun yoho. It's not muni yoho, but it's mun yoho. It's not even muna yoho. It's mun yoho. The na becomes a complete half letter. Mun yoho. Okay, so that's the difference. Although yoho is a common case ending for genitive dual. Now for nouns ending in u, you do have woho instead of yoho. And that was the rule between nouns ending in I and nouns ending in u. That's why you were learning them together. When you see a ya for nouns ending in I, you replace that ya with a va. So the rules here still applies where it's not, if we have shishu, as an example for nouns ending in u. Shishu means baby. If you have shishu, we're not keeping that ending vowel. We're not keeping this u. This is actually crossed out. So this actually becomes a half sh, and you end up with shishwohu. Similar to what we saw from muni to munyohu. You have shishwohu. So you write a half sh with that loop. Shishwohu. Okay? So that's what that becomes. Shishwohu. For the genitive singular case endings that we've learned so far, they're all pretty different. You have asya, so for example, kupasya. For genitive, it would be ehe, so you would have munehe. And for genitive singular, you would have shishoho for genitive singular, for example. But looking at the similarities and differences, hopefully it will be less overwhelming for you to memorize all of the tables. So you can use this as a mechanism to help you remember the tables better by comparing and contrasting the similarities and differences. Other than that, I hope this helps, and this is your Sanskrit instructor signing off with a namaste.